Hey gearheads and motorcycle enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the much-anticipated 2024 Yamaha MT-09. This naked bike has been a fan favorite for its thrilling performance and playful character, and for 2024, Yamaha has dialed it up a notch. Let's jump right in and see what this beast is all about. Revamped performance. Thrilling engine. The heart of the MT-09 is still its iconic 889cc, 9-cylinder engine. It delivers a smooth, linear power band that's perfect for cruising or unleashing on those twisty back roads. Think exhilarating acceleration and a throaty exhaust note that'll turn heads. Sharper handling. Yamaha has reworked the chassis and suspension for this year's model. The result? Tighter handling and more confidence-inspiring control when you lean into those corners. Electronics package. The 2024 MT-09 comes loaded with a comprehensive electronics suite, including rider modes, traction control, and a new quick shifter. This tech keeps you safe and in control, but it doesn't get in the way of the raw riding experience. Striking design. Aggressive looks. The MT-09 has shed its older, bug-eyed look for a sharper, more aggressive design. The new headlight design and sculpted bodywork give it a mean, predatory stance. Functional comfort. The riding position on the MT-09 strikes a good balance. It's slightly more aggressive than before, but the handlebars and foot pegs are still adjustable for a comfortable ride. Techy dashboard. A new 5-inch TFT display keeps you informed with all the essential ride data, and the interface is clean and intuitive. Unique selling points. Versatility. This motorcycle is truly a chameleon. It can be your daily commuter, weekend canyon carver, or a thrilling track weapon, with some modifications. Value for money. The MT-09 sits in a competitive segment, but it offers a fantastic package of performance, technology, and design at a very attractive price point. Pure fun factor. At the end of the day, the MT-09 is all about pure riding enjoyment. It's a motorcycle that puts a smile on your face every time you twist the throttle. So, is the 2024 Yamaha MT-09 the perfect sub-liter naked bike? Well, that depends on your riding style. If you crave a thrilling ride with tons of character and a playful personality, then the MT-09 is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for joining us on this ride. If you're considering a new motorcycle, be sure to check out the 2024 Yamaha MT-09 and take it for a spin. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching and subscribe.